This is the Omaze Mist and Go Toilet Freshener Air Freshener 5-pack. It has 5 different spray bottles of nature-inspired aromas for you to benefit from. There's blossom, dream, fresh linen, lavender scent, and my favorite, breeze. Now, I'm not a fan of any super strong smells, be them dirty or pretty smells. So thank you, Omaze, for sending these to us to compare and share, as these air freshener sprays target the odor molecule, neutralizing it, and add a light, natural fragrance. The breeze scent smells refreshing, just like a fresh, crisp, clean mountain breeze. It's not some strong scent trying to hide or overpower some other odor. Now, once you have done your thing, just a quick shake and a couple of sprays, then these 2 actions will start to happen. The odor neutralizers in the mist spray will target odor molecules, neutralizing them, while the scented oils give off a pleasant, natural aroma. The bottle design is very generic. It's not too girly at all, and it comes with a small bottle, so you can discreetly carry it and use it anywhere to avoid any of those embarrassing moments. And it's not just for toilets. Use it anywhere you don't want those unwanted smells.